Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable phone calls for your speaker LENOVO L01. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your speaker at the device list. And right here in the second line we have phone calls, so to enable it just click on this slider near to it, and it's the same with disable. If you have empty background sound, you don't need to disable because it means that it's disabled, but if you have some color on this background, I have a blue right now, so it means that enable, and to disable, again, click on this slider. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!